Welcome to Tips Ki Tokri, bite-sized tips from librarians for librarians to energize your library space. Today's tip is all about adding a little magic to your library with personalized library cards. Want to make your library extra special? Try this fun and simple activity with your readers and watch them light up with pride. Here's what you'll need. Nothing fancy, just everyday materials with a sprinkle of creativity. You'll need card paper or chart paper cut into rectangles about the size of a birthday card, big enough to write on and keep book records clearly. Sketch pens, markers, or color pencils. Glitter, stickers, stamps, washi or other decorative tape. Glue sticks and scissors. Child safe if you're working with the little ones. Ruler for neat lines if needed. Let's get started. Follow these simple steps. First, fold the paper into half, like a birthday card, or 3 parts, accordion style, depending on how much space you want for the records. Designate the front panel for decoration and writing the child's name. Use the inside for keeping detailed book records. In the records section, include the following details for each book: name, date of issue, date of return, book accession number, comment or review, and signature. Let the reader decorate their card with drawings, stickers, glitter, or anything that shows their personality and makes the card special. Here's what Ria Banerjee, a trainer and mentor from Vikramshila Education Resource Society, has to say.
Having a personalized library card makes children feel like official members of the library. I've always seen excitement. They get creative, feel proud, and take better care of books.
It may seem like a small activity, but the impact is powerful and lasting. Why try this? It makes reading personal, easy to set up, and a big impact. It builds responsibility. It fosters belonging. And it adds joy and creativity. Have a tip that's worked well in your library? Share it with us at info@librariansofindia.in and let's spread the joy of libraries together.